Here I have VIVO V21e, and today I'm going to show you how to transfer files from internal storage to SD card on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open Files application, which you have pre-installed on your device, so you can transfer downloads, images, videos, audios, documents, and also apps. So let's transfer, for example, some image. Of course, this one, maybe this one too. Then tap on three dots here. Select if you want to copy or if you want to move these images. So let's copy them. Then select OK, and after that they will automatically be copied to the SD card, to the downloads folder, I believe. Yeah, and here they are. The one is here and the other one is here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.